I just cleaned off miraculously my massive kitchen table to try out this massive rectangular tablecloth. This is from Palette, and this was sent to me in exchange for my honest opinions. Let's try it out. How big is this? 90 by 156 inches. It's huge. Let's open it up. They say this is disposable. I don't know why you would dispose of this. This is like a nice linen. It's also washable, so I don't know why you'd dispose of this. Let's put it on. Ta-da! It does say here, machine washable and dryer safe. And here is the quality of this fabric. It's basically down to the floor on all sides. Look at how nice that makes the table look. What do we think?